So today's topic is about how to pass the job interview. So basically, once you already pass any application form or resume to the recruitment, and once that manager or whoever is going to ask you about, like for example,
Tell me about yourself.
my name is Lee. That is my nickname, and I have a work experience. I have 5 months BPO experience, and I know how to fix computer, basic troubleshooting, and I'm still virgin. Okay, forgive me for saying that virgin. That's not supposed to be there. So, if ever that you don't have any BPO experience or work experience because you're just only playing video games.
Can you introduce yourself for me?
Yeah, my name is Lee, and I don't have any work experience. And what I only do in the house is I only do house chores. I only play games on PC, and I only love watching TV, listening to the music, and I love making friends. And I'm still virgin. So that's the only thing that you need to do so that you can pass the job interview. So there's no need for you to tell them where you live because there's already there in the resume. So hopefully that this will help you to pass all the interviews, the job interviews. Please just like and subscribe on my video if ever that you can pass the job interview. Okay, so thank you for watching.